Regardless of where you're at, the partner ecosystem plays a big role in helping meet you. And I think the journey that we're on together is to become a high-velocity, software-driven organization. And the only way that you can get there is really to leverage automation at scale. I don't think you can find any high-velocity, software-driven organization that's gotten there without using automation at scale. The complexity and speed required it's just too difficult. And you're in this process with automation where you need to move your automation from people acting on systems to code acting on systems. And in the process of doing that, you need to actually collaborate, right? People need to collaborate on that code. And agile, lean, DevOps principles come to the forefront, where you can actually move at speed and enable your teams to move from kind of large batch incremental releases to fast-moving small batch releases. And so that plays a big role. And if you do that right between Aldo, which I think Justin Arbuckle coined for agile, lean, and DevOps, and automation, you can then move at velocity with your legacy systems. And you then have a nice foundation for accelerating the movement to embrace the new, right? One foundation, whether you're dealing with infrastructure, and that infrastructure can mean moving from traditional data centers to containers in the cloud, or moving from monolithic applications to microservice-based architectures. And the ecosystem plugs in all around that. Whether you're looking at tactically using Chef to configure your systems, or you're strategically using Chef to transform your business, as you saw yesterday with Alaska, and as you heard Liberty talking about. So, the Chef ecosystem is what makes automation at scale possible. And it extends our reach, whether it's content, integrations, the offerings that we build together, and it spans categories that cover almost every type of pattern you may need to support, right? Compute, network, storage, cloud management, you name it. And the partners are there to provide the assistance you need on that journey, transforming your business or just dealing with that tactical deployment of Chef Automate and training up your team. So our partners will really, truly meet you where you're at and help fit to purpose Chef into your organization with that tooling that you have around you. So, I think what's incredible is what we've seen in the past year. The partner growth has been extreme, right? 198 new partners in the past year have become part of Chef, more than doubling the size of our ecosystem. I just want to give a round of applause to all the new partners.